Hey guys, welcome back to GreenTGarden. It's about 52 degrees right now this morning in Long Island, New York, Zone 7A. Gonna give you guys a quick tour of the outdoor garden. How, if you guys not from New York, I wanted to show you guys what is a plant that's surviving, what you could plant. Is it over? Can we still plant even if you live in a zone where it's coming out to fall time? And yes, you could still plant some stuff, guys. You guys could go ahead and still plant, like tomatoes will make it, your scallions, lettuce. Lettuce right now will grow so fast in this colder weather. Bottle gourds, any bottle gourd, speckled bottle gourd, swan gourd, all that stuff will still grow. You still have time. And if you have a greenhouse back there, you still have a lot of time going on to grow other stuff. But summer plants right now, they're not gonna make it. Summer plants will be really hard to survive in this kind of weather. But if you got beetroot, spinach, kale, broccoli, all that stuff, you still have time. Broccoli, it takes a longer time with broccoli and cauliflower and stuff like that. But smaller stuff like spinach, radish, you could do like basil, parsley, all that stuff, they'll grow. You still have a lot of time. So I'm going to show you right now. I'm cleaning up. It's a hot mess. Last night was really windy. So I'm going to show you guys right now. All right, guys. So as you see here, all these are extra containers. I always save all my containers, save every single thing. So right here, this is some carrots the kids been harvesting. This right here is some radish. They've been getting eaten out, but that's my I had two spinach plant right there. They're coming around. They'll grow. These guys will grow higher. Watermelon radish is going to be ready. Beetroot and tomatoes they're still growing crazy. Tomatoes, you can see I got the greenhouse closed because it's still chilly, and we got Pepper the pet pig hanging out, being fresh, digging up all over him, and the kids having a blast over there. But you can see between there's a lot of tomatoes. So, oh look, something got to this one. Oh man, some bug or something got to that too. So I'll come. I'll come and try to harvest some and feed that guy. But the tomatoes does really well with the colder weather, so don't worry about if you have tomatoes outside. This used to be my cucumber trellis. Now I'm gonna try to guide a bottle gourd on it, as you guys can see. So the bottle gourd, guys, they will grow amazing. Look right here. Look, see this? One there. We got two more over there. We got 3, 4. We got a whole bunch. We're gonna be coming around. And you could see, like, I have some new little ones right there. See that? And I have right here, I have these are the swan gourd. See them right there? I have a bunch coming around there too. So swan gourd, bottle gourds, they're gonna grow amazing. This plant right here, I gotta try to guide it more. This leaves right here. This is a speckled bottle gourd. They grow massive and beautiful. I'll show you guys what I got back there going on, and you could still see green tomatoes. The leaves looking good. They're gonna do good. They're gonna do good in the fall weather like this. And I still have some overgrown. Whichever can make it, it's not gonna make it. And so right here, guys, I have some kale. And you can see I plant them. They'll grow. Kale will grow, and when they start growing, they grow pretty fast. And right here we have mustard. So I did add some compost between. So guys, add in compost if you don't have a lot of compost. What you could do, you dig your hole here, go down about 6 inches down. You add some compost, and then you plant this guy here, put back a little bit of compost, and then you could put soil on top. Do specific area. I didn't have compost for the whole thing, so I just added compost individually one by one, so this way I have enough compost and enough for these guys. And these are bok choy. Everybody say the name different. I even have a hard time. So these are bok choy, and these guys are one of the strongest plant. So these guys are one of the strongest plants, strongest greens that's gonna grow, and they grow fast and they grow well. Except if the weather's hot. If the weather's really hot, they will bolt fast. And if they're stressed out, they'll bolt fast. But beside that, you water every couple days, 3 to 4 days in the morning time lightly, and you stick to that routine, they will grow and produce so much. And keep up with the harvest. The more you harvest, the more they will grow. Those are the bottle gourd flowers. So you could see, I mean, it's not much left in the garden right now. I'll show you guys. My compost is a hot mess, but let me show you how the compost is looking inside. Wanted to show you guys real quick. So I've been using, see that? I've been using the compost right now. I'm gonna give this a spin. This one is almost ready. And this guy Pepper's been really feisty, fresh. Look, another one right there. Another bottle gourd. They're around, you know. They're bottle gourd will grow really fast. And the flowers, guys, the good thing about bottle gourd flowers, they're open morning and they're open in the afternoon. Like this right here, you see that's the female. Always, guys, the female has the fruit, the flower open right there, and the male, it's a long skinny stem with the flower open, and they always have the pollen inside of it. So always hand pollinate. Get your Q-tip or a paintbrush. I recommend paintbrush from here. Take out some of your pollen from here and just apply it from there, and that's a guaranteed pollination. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Just wanted to show you real quick in the morning time. You don't even have to water your plant in the morning time here, guys, because it's so cold. And hopefully later on the sun is gonna come out. We're gonna probably get in the lower 70s. So once we get in the lower 70s, the weather is really good, and that's gonna help the plant grow more. And then with fall weather like this, you do not want to water early in the morning because the plant is already covered with water. And what you could do is water during the day. That's what I have to do right now, because if I water too late in the night, then it gets too cold, and that's not good for the plant because the soil is not going to dry, you know, like dry too much. It's going to be too moist and too wet for the plant. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come back around 2 o'clock, which is the peak time, and I'm going to water around that time. So I still got a couple hours before it get cooler in the night. So this is when you live in New York, you have to deal with all this. And I'll show you guys right here. As you guys can see, I closed the pool. I'm still cleaning it up. I closed the pool myself. I open and close the pool myself. It's fun, it's a challenge, but I love doing it, and I do it the way I like it. So the backyard view right there, guys. House is kind of dirty over there, oh my god. So basically I'm fixing up the roof. Wind took out all that stuff. So within the next couple days we're removing the roof, putting on new roof and all that stuff. And we're gonna be cleaning up this whole backyard here. I'll do vlogs video to show you guys all the journeys around here, what I'm gonna be doing, so you guys gonna be keeping up with GreenTGarden. And guys, don't forget, I always tell you guys, thank you so much for always watching and supporting GreenTGarden. Really do appreciate everyone who's watching and subscribing, guys. And if you're new, welcome, guys, to GreenTGarden. I do have a lot of videos in the playlist. Go ahead and check it out. And I still have more stuff in the greenhouse, and gardening is not over for me yet, guys. Nope, I still have a lot more videos coming up, and I have a lot more awesome tips and showing you guys what's going on here in Long Island, New York, guys. We're coming up to, you know, it's deep in the fall right now. It's just gonna get colder and colder, and hopefully, you know, this greenhouse could hold up a lot more. So I got next video coming up in the greenhouse. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna harvest some peppers, lettuce, and I think some tomatoes and stuff. Whatever I'm gonna harvest, I'm gonna show you guys coming up next time. So guys, if you're new, please subscribe, and please subscribe is 100% free, and smash that like button for more upcoming videos from GreenTGarden.